In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Zoho CRM, providing you a comprehensive guide for 2025. Adding a signature to your emails in Zoho CRM not only professionalizes your communication, but also ensures consistency across all your client interactions. Let's get started by first navigating to the Zoho CRM homepage. This is your command center where you'll manage all your customer relationships. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner to find the options icon. It usually appears as a gear or a series of dots. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you'll find various settings and customization options that you can adjust. Next, we'll click on Setup. The setup page is crucial because it allows you to personalize and configure your Zoho CRM experience. After entering the setup section, look for the channels option. Channels is where you'll find different communication methods that you can configure, including emails. Once you're in the channels section, click on email. This will guide you to your email settings where you can adjust everything from templates to signature details. Here, pay attention to the compose section, which is critical for adding your email signature. In the compose section, you'll see the options related to email signatures. Click on Add New Signature. This option allows you to create a new signature from scratch, tailoring it to fit your personal or business needs. It's important to craft a signature that truly represents your brand and provides essential information like your name, title, contact number, and even office address. After clicking to add a new signature, you need to type in your desired signature text. Be sure to include all the details that paint a clear and professional picture of yourself or your business. This detail is the first impression in all your email communications, so make it count. Once you've typed the signature, the next step is to select the email address with which you'd like to associate this signature. This is especially helpful if you use multiple email addresses within Zoho CRM. Following that, fill in the signature description field. This description helps you identify which signature belongs to which email or department in your CRM system. Finally, once everything looks good, click on Save to apply your new email signature settings. Saving will ensure that your signature automatically appears in your outgoing emails, maintaining uniformity and professionalism in each and every communication. Congratulations! You've successfully added a signature to your Zoho CRM email system. This small yet significant adjustment can make a big difference in how others perceive your business through email interactions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.